First live look of Galaxy S20 Plus. Hey guys, so, this is our first look at live images of the Galaxy S20 Plus, thanks to Max Weinbach and XDA developers. First up, the leak seemingly confirms that Samsung is stepping away from the Galaxy S11 naming scheme, in favor of the S20 series. Up front, the Galaxy S20 Plus sports an Infinity O display, that has a centered punch hole. While Samsung is continuing with a 2.5D curved display, the actual curvature appears to be significantly lower than before. The leak suggests that the display is almost flat to the touch. Recent rumors have also indicated that the Galaxy S20 series will pack 120Hz displays, that should deliver a silky smooth experience. Over at the back, the quad camera setup lines up with existing rumors. The Galaxy S20 Plus is expected to pack an ultra-wide, telephoto, and macro lens, alongside the main camera sensor. The latter will sport a new 1.8-micron sensor, that should deliver better low-light imaging, while retaining the 12 megapixels resolution. These leaked hands-on images of the Galaxy S20 Plus don't confirm the internals. The 5G splash screen does semi-confirm the inclusion of the Snapdragon 865 chipset, at least on the North American variant. It's unclear if we'll see the 5G version launching globally or not. Although, outside the US, the Galaxy S20 series is expected to come with Samsung's own Exynos 990 chipset. We'll have 4 versions of the S20 to choose from this time around, as there will be the 4G Galaxy S20, 5G S20, 4G Galaxy S20 Plus, and 5G S20 Plus. That should be more than enough choice for just about anyone interested in the next Galaxy device. Samsung Unpacked is scheduled for February 11th, where we expect to get the lowdown on all 3 variants that Samsung is believed to be launching this year. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about the live photo of S20 Plus. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.